Hey Ishan, what are you thinking about?
Just thinking about sending money to my parents in India, but all these apps, can you see that like they're charging too much? Exchange rate is so high, and I don't think if they are reliable enough.
Have you tried the Paypenny?
Hey Penny, what's that?
Google yourself.
As the feedbacks are showing that they are reliable, faster, and they're also providing better exchange rate than Google. Is it possible?
Yes, it's possible.
Okay, so let me download it now and send the money right away. You can also download the Paypenny from the App Store or Play Store and send money right away with better exchange rate.